They are called man's best friend. And truth be told, some of us would rather spend time with our beloved pets than with some of our relatives. So if Fido and Fluffy are part of the family, they should also be a part of your estate planning. After all, you want them to be well cared for if something happens to you. And California attorney Ben Soward says a pet trust may be the best solution. Sadly, thousands of dogs, cats, and other animals wind up homeless or in a shelter when something happens to their owners. In some cases, a pet owner will make an informal agreement with someone to provide for a pet. But if you do that, make sure it's someone you trust. Remember, you will have no control over how that person spends the money you leave behind. Leaving a pet to someone in your will is a bad idea. Wills must go through probate court, which can be a lengthy process, leaving no immediate support for the animal. But a pet trust will bypass probate, making assets available immediately for the continued care of your beloved pet. With a trust, you can decide all aspects of pet care, everything from which vet to use to what kind of food the animal will be fed, and it's all legally enforceable. They provide so much love to us. Shouldn't we do everything we can to provide for them after we're gone? Call estate planning attorney Ben Sowards today or visit sowardslawfirm.com.